Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu Pandey, and in this presentation we are going to have a look on the assignment problem from the subject operational research. So let's start with the definition. The assignment method is a way of allocating the organizational resource in which each resource is assigned a particular task. The resource could be a monetary and personnel and the technological. So let's try to understand the purpose of the assignment problem, like why we use this method. So the main object of assignment problem is minimize the total time of the completing set of the task, then maximizing the skill rating, then again minimizing the cost of the assignment. So let's try to understand with example. So if you are going to produce any raw material or any goods, so in order to complete that task, how you can reduce the time, at the same time how you can utilize your all skill set, at the same time how you can reduce the cost of the assignment. So this is the entire purpose of doing assignment problem. So let's try to understand the types of the assignment problem. So the assignment problem is classified into the balanced assignment problem and the unbalanced assignment problem. So if the numbers in the row to the if the numbers is equal to the sorry if the numbers of the row is equal to the numbers of the column, then it will be a balanced assignment problem. If the numbers of the row and the column is not equal, then it will be a unbalanced assignment problem. So let's try to understand the steps of the balanced assignment problem. So the first step is subtract the row minimum from the each row. So this is the first step. Then second one is subtract the column minimum from the each column from the reduced matrix. So again, the third one is there is a mistake between steps 3 and the 4. This is up and down, so this I will correct in the PDF. But the third one is draw line which should be equal as per the matrix. Then fourth one is assign 1 0 in each row and the column. Then fifth one is now allocate the resource as per the data. So this was the balance problem. There is a 5 step. First we have to subtract the row minimum from the each row, and subtract the column minimum from the each row that reduce matrix. Then draw the line which is equal to as per the matrix. Then fourth one is assign a 0 in each row and the column. Then fifth one is now allocate the resource as per the data. Now we are going to have a look on the unbalanced problem. So the first step is add dummy row and the column with a 0 in which order to add a balanced and a matrix. Then second one is subtract the row minimum from each row. Then third one, subtract the column minimum from the each column from the reduced matrix. Then fifth one is draw line which should be an equal as per the matrix. If not equal, then fifth is find it is the smallest number which does not have any line passing through. We can it data, subtract data from the all numbers that do not have the lines passing through. Then add a data to all those numbers, then have two line passing through through them, then keep the rest of the same. Then sixth step is assign again 1 0 to each row and the column. Then seventh step is now allocate the resource as per the data. So this was the complete steps of balance and the unbalanced task. So let's try to understand in detail. So here I have created a two sheets. The first one is a row minimizations. The second one is a column minimization. There is a draw line also. So and then in the next slide we have located a 0. Then and the right hand side I have assigned the problem. So this is the complete assignment problem, and in this way we can assign this problem. So let's have a look on the complete presentation. So we have learned that we had a look on the definition. Then we have a look on the purpose, and we saw the types. Then we have seen the steps of the balanced problem. Then we have seen the steps of the unbalanced problem. Then again same. Then last we had an example. So this was my complete presentation for the assignment problem. And here I would like to end this presentation. Thank you so much.